Good morning, plumbers. If you don't know, we do everyday plumbing, the good, the bad, and the ugly. And today's no exception. It's the good. Today we're bringing back Robert, the amazing Hob. Used to work for us, and he's back. He's instrumental. Say hello, Robert.
Good morning.
He's very instrumental in getting my channel started back in 2018. They have a big YouTube following for a couple channels. The whole family does it. Brought him back. He was welcome to come back, and we're stoked to have him. And he's going to fit in perfect. With that, we're going to bring back some old clips back from 17, 18.
Oh my gosh, I'm documenting you for my vlog, dude.
I'm documenting you for my vlog.
Dude, this is the shop. Total legends in here. No way.
Yes way.
Insane.
Anyway, as you see, I'm totally honored to have this god working for Baron Plumbing. Look at this dude, he's a total rock star. And the best part is he's looking in the mirror. He don't know I'm videotaping. Come on, give me one more look. Come on. Nope.
So much pipe dope, dude.
That's it, wipe it on the wall. They always love that. Marcy's gonna go kill you. This is for your documentary. How's your hand and your head? What happened to your head today?
Smoked by a radiator.
How's your finger?
I don't care about the paint. I just don't like seeing blood.
Let me see your finger.
I'm ready.
I mean, how much fun is this?
Now that I'm through those two, way funner, dude. I was bugging about that one.
Let's get it in.
No way. Right now we're heading to Action Janitorial to put in some light switches.
Where are we going now?
I don't know. Where are we? I guess we're going to Burger King, right?
Upper Wednesday!
No way, dude.
Robert taking out the heater. This is all for his documentary.
Pretty good. These are old heaters. One heater.
We have a possum here.
I don't think so, dude. Yeah, it's in there.
Where's it gonna go?
It's gonna attack us for sure.
I had to hire a pro to fix my board. Now we're ready.
Yeah, but anybody could have fixed that if they knew what was going on.
Not me.
Except it.
Today we're going to check out Hob's drilling technique. I thought you were taking that bit out. Let's take it out. Take the extension out.
Is this even the good one?
Yeah. We like to get extra dull for learning, for teaching. We teach. We're done teaching. We gave him a new bit.
Watch my head like
What are you looking for?
Oh!
Do you see it?
Y'all need to take a picture over here from that side. So like if I can write with my right hand too.
Right. And you're pretty much power with that 12-inch pipe wrench you got going there.
Suck it.
The plumber. I like your Smurf hat.
You know?
Was it a birthday present?
It was a I can't even say what it was.
Right now, I'm waiting for the amazing to hop. Here he comes. Here he comes. I'm gonna go get him right outside the door. There he is. I'm gonna scare him the shit out. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. I'm gonna get his ass right here. Watch this. Watch this, everybody.
Phew, dude, it's hot. Oh shit! Fuck.
Hi. Good morning.
Oh my god.
This is part of your documentary.
Stop there. Oh, dude, the footage I got. Here's one of your things back. Okay, they're all on auto now.
All right, cool.
Am I allowed out of the dungeon?
Come on. I'm gonna start heating it up. I'll be right back.
I found a really good way to get out.
Yeah? How?
See? This guy's taking it to the next. You have the pliers?
Oh, what you need now? You gotta go back underneath and get them.
I'm just saying, they're not making sure. No.
You're a plumbing guy.
Did this really happen?
This is for your documentary.
You should see your shots. I think I'm ready to grind it.
How'd that taste?
I don't even want to talk about it.
Right now we're digging a little shit, so we cut that pipe right there. And we have a broken pipe right there. And Rob loves plumbing. There you go, doggy. He said he wanted to join the army. Here we are. Under the command and control of General Barron.
Alright, I'm deep enough.
Right now, we're working on a little sewer job in Margate. Rob was going to test his plumbing skills on the sewer job. And we're knee deep in some shit here.
Alright, I'm ready for the grinder.
You ready for the grinder? You're a total god.
I'm tripping, dude. We have to move this. I gotta get the shovel and start pulling.
Why are you
away.
tripping?
Dude, there's shit flying out of the pipe. I didn't do this in Florida.
You didn't surf like this?
It's crazy though.
Now what I tell you, this is your punishment for catching waves without me. You're gonna go under and you're gonna turn this valve off.
Yo, it is tight under there. Wonder who does airs on that Rusty.
I want to know who does airs on the crawl space. Are you doing airs?
Dude, there's enough water down there for a wave to break.
Let me get that for you.
Are we ready to play play construction?
We're gonna play Hob the Builder. Let's get it. First of all, it's birthday boy. How you doing today?
Killing it.
49 years young. Huh?
Just in here hanging out.
Doing a little plumbing.
You want to go film some trains?
We're gonna film some trains for Poppy. Choo choo. How you making out?
I'm all the way around about an inch from the ground. No way.
Right now, remember you were laughing at me when I was crawling?
This is the hole I'm going in?
Yep.
And then what? This isn't where the valves are, is it? I thought those valves were in the other section. Where am I going?
Right there. You see
Oh,
the
that's
valve?
it?
Yeah. Alright. Alright. It doesn't sound it.
No.
Yeah, it does.
What's that noise? Upstairs.
It's you crawling out of a cement hole. Come on. How fun. Remember you were laughing at me?
I know why
Hold
you
on.
hate-
Hold on. Caution.
I know why you hated it. It's just dusty. This is definitely for like.
Is it on all the way? Hold on. Look at me. I need some eye to eye. Is the water on the way?
On all the way.
Okay. No. Remember how funny it was when I was in there?
Way funny. A piece of plastic.
Oh, we're doing flushometers in tandem, baby. Word.
See?
See?
This is insane, right? Our little asbestos fire.
How about this? In 2 days, you'll be a husband. In 4 days, no, in 4 months, you'll be a daddy. And today, you're a grinder god.
No way. Well, that's true. Some kind of guy.
Just watch them sparks, daddy. I love demo. This is classic. Is your head stuck between two pipes right now?
Yeah. Up to at least 2 or 3 SIM cards.
Really? Yeah, I agree.
I'm serious. Filming me?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm a plum god, I kinda.
How about your Gucci goggles? Marcy would love that.
How about one sock on, one sock up? That's because I was feeling like a soul surfer here and a businessman here.
Kind of like, you know.
Oh, this is intricate.
How tight is this room?
This is real tight. That's.
How's that heat lamp on your neck?
I'd rather be in here right now than at Thanksgiving dinner.
The amazing hob.
No way.
And this yellow ducky.
I'm just over here plumbing.
Just trying to light this hot water heater. Alright, let's not break it.
To bleed more.
How's your outfit?
Awesome, right?
Sunrise! It's 35 degrees out. Can't wait. One of the things I wanted to point out on the old shots was how about the DeWalt tools, the trucks, no uniforms, so we're growing in the right direction for sure. Them videos were from 2017 and 18, all shot in the cell phone, vertical. But it was interesting to watch. I saved all that footage, put a little highlight film together for Robert, and we'll have him back out there soon enough. All right, folks, thank you, and we'll see you at the next one. Have a great night. There you have it, folks. Having Robert back in a shop position / helping me organize to be ready to systemize has been a great help, tremendous help while running the shop and material, and I got a lot of things on his plate too. been getting pulled from the shop detail out running, and that we get nothing done in the shop as usual. But trying to restrain, keeping him in place to expedite what we're trying to do, and then we're going to systemize a couple other things. I've been wanting to do this for a long time, and it's coming together, and we're having fun doing it. Having fun, working hard, and all these guys' personalities are great to work with. We have a nice young nucleus of guys that want to learn, that are hungry to learn, and surrounded by some veterans like myself, Keith, T-Rob as mentors. It's going to be special. So glad to have Robert. You're going to see him more and more, and he does a little special filming for me. So the videos will continue to come. Again, him, his brother Ben, Turner, were all, especially Robert, involved me getting started on YouTube, because these guys all had YouTube channels before. They had one since YouTube opened. So, and I've always been a fan of the camera, as we all see. Well, there you have it, folks. We'll see you at the next one. Have a great night.